if you look at the sort of food you buy in the average supermarket, it was grown, I'm talking about vegetables now, it was grown on soil which had very, very poor quality. It was then treated by the food industry, adding what we politely call food cosmetics.
Če pogledate hrano, ki jo kupite v običajnih konvencionalnih trgovinah, in sedaj govorim o sadju in zelenjavi, ta hrana, to zelenjava je zrastla v zemlji, ki je bila zelo revna, potem, ko je zrastla, pa jo je prehranska industrija opremila, dodala še sestavine, ki jim jaz rečem kozmetika za hrano.
I don't know if you realize that in Europe the food industry uses between 3,000 and 10,000 additives.
Ne vem, če vam je poznano, da samo v Evropi prehranska industrija uporablja od 3,000 do 10,000 dodatkov, prehranskih dodatkov oziroma dodatkov k hrani.
So of course it looks nice, it smells nice, it tastes nice, except that there is no nutrient in it. Otherwise it's fine.
Torej, ta hrana je drugače v redu, dobro izgleda, dobro diši, celo dober okus ima, edina težava je, da nima v sebi pravi hranil.
In fact, a doctor friend of mine says that the greatest achievement of the food industry has been to remove all the nutrients from what they sell.
Moj prijatelj, zdravnik, pravi, da je največji dosežek prehranske industrije je v tem, da so iz hrane uspeli umakniti, ven vzeti vsa hranila.
So the first rule is not to poison poor body, but to give it the best possible clean food we can either grow if we have a garden or buy it in an organic shop if we don't have a garden.
Torej, prvo pravilo je, da svojemu telesu privoščimo, zagotovimo čisto hrano, ki jo, če imamo lastni vrt, sami pridelamo, če nimamo lastnega vrta, kupimo v ekoloških trgovinah oziroma trgovinah z ekološkimi izdelki.